wala nang mapupuntahan si Miller and it was a tough shot so he didn't really have to foul.
The players forget that there's one more. You can see how Panelo and Avilanar were really active, trying to box each other out. And the referee was like, hold up, hold up.
Masyadong excited silang dalawa eh.
May isa pang free throw. Third free throw. Miller sinks it.
3 of 3.